How to copy comments on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy comments on YouTube. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just go to the video that contains the comment that you want to copy. And here, after that, you can just go to the comment section right from here. And now here, once you are inside the comment section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down to the comment that you want to copy. And here, once you've found that comment, what you can do is you can just tap and take a screenshot of that particular comment. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just go back and close the YouTube app, and after that you can just open the Google. And now here, once you're inside the Google, you can just tap on the lens icon, and after that you can just select the image that you have screenshot before. And now here, once you do it, the lens will automatically detect the text on the screenshot. So from here, you can just select the comments that you want to copy, and here, once you have selected it, you can just tap on copy from the pop-up menu that appears. And that's it. That's how you can copy comments on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.